Attention! Stand it is. Attention! Take position. नमो बुद्धाय, जय शिवराय, जय ज्योती, जय सावित्री, जय शाहू, जय भीम. उत्तम आनंद जल्लोष सगळीकडे. कलियुग संपले. द बुद्धिस्ट इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलच्या स्थापनेबरोबरच सत्यमेव जयतेच्या व्यवस्थेची उभारणी सुरू झाली आहे. Our school name is the Buddhist International School. Welcome to our annual function.
We know that you are all here to know the function of Buddhist International School, so we will clear your concept.
You know that the child's brain develops up to the age of 6. So in our school we teach our children Buddhism from their childhood.
The government and private schools are misleading our people. They are teaching them things which are unscientific and harmful for their future. So in our school we teach our children common facts and scientific perspective.
The Buddhist International School is doing most important job of protecting Buddhism from some bad creatures who have been destroy our history.
Of Mahapurush like Buddha, Samrat Ashoka, Shivaji Maharaj and all, because of less education, people are not understanding the importance of equality and are divided into groups. So now it's our job to bring everyone together and fight this battle.
Our religion is suffering from the great injury. The only way to recover it is to get your child admission in Buddhist International School.
Now we will tell you our daily routine. We have some specific rules in our school which we followed strictly as.
In our school assembly, we take Vandana, Trisaran Panchashil, Ashtanga Marga, 10 पारमिता, 10 कुशल कर्म, 22 प्रतिज्ञा, 22 प्रतिज्ञाचे रक्षक, प्रॅम्बल, प्लेज, भीमा तुझ्या माताचे सॉन्ग, लाल दिव्याच्या गाडीला सॉन्ग, मूल्यवान राष्ट्रगीत and राष्ट्रगीत. In our school, we only speak in English compulsory, but all philosophers says that the best language to understand and learn in mother tongue of students. So we teach in Marathi also. And according to our sir, English is not knowledge. It is just a medium to communicate.
We teach different subjects in our school. We teach rationalism with books of Jyotirao Phule like गुलामगिरी, शेतकऱ्यांचा असूर, शूद्रपूर्वी कोण होते, शिवाजी कोण होते, etc.
We have different kinds of activity in our school like dancing, singing, karate for self-defense, sport, e-learning and computer code.
Every 3 months we get a new class monitor and we have English monitors too. On every Wednesday and Saturday we have activity day. On these days we only focus on extracurricular activities like drama, debate competition, personality development and giving stage daring to students, which you will see soon in this program.
On every Saturday, we have a grand Vandana, where we discuss our progress, problems with school management and school president sir.
We take gathering in our school in which we take only Buddhist songs. Every 6 months we have a student parliament. We have 4 unit tests and 2 term exams and we only celebrate Teachers Day on 3rd of January, that is on Savitribai Phule Jayanti.
We take promote and different sports in our school. We also have training and coaching from professional players. We also have guest lectures. We even visit sport matches in stadium. We teach students power of teamwork and that real winners do not compete.
We also have e-learning, computer, science lab and library. We take science exhibition regularly.
We get stationery in our school and we also have Buddhist shoppies. We celebrate every Purnima. On that day we have Kirdan. We also have lectures from Mante.
We have grooming done for cleaning like Japanese school, which teaches us the importance of cleanliness and selflessness.
Every student in our school follows 22 Pratijna. We all are 22 Pratijna Rakshak. The pledge for 22 Pratijna Rakshak is आम्ही 22 प्रतिज्ञाचे रक्षक आहोत. 22 प्रतिज्ञा लोकांनी आचरणात आणाव्या याकरिता आम्ही आमचे जीवन समर्पित करत आहोत.
We teach our people importance of equality. We tell them how and for what we need to know teaching of Buddha, Samrat Ashoka, Jyotirao Phule and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
Under the rules of Buddhist International School, we will teach a world power of Buddhism. We will show them a different way to lead a better life.
We have been divided into different parts. Now we have to come together and show the world our power. In this dangerous world full of selfish and foolish people who believe in imaginary things and have been suppressing us for more than 2000 years, we have to spread Buddhism and teach to people how to follow it.
Nowadays, you can see that in other school level of the understanding in a student is going down.
And the reason is our poor education system.
Where teachers don't care about students, they only care about their salaries. They seems to have biometric system to see if teachers are regular.
But who will take care about what they teach in class, and are they really working to improve students?
The literacy rate in India is only 74%, but in countries like Finland, Japan, Canada, etc., it is nearly 100%. Considering these problems and understanding the needs of better education system,
We have studied all the best kinds of education system over the world.
And we have made our new education system where teachers focus only on student progress, as teacher salary will be according to student progress.
So now students can just focus on their studies and parents are all happy and satisfied by their child's progress.
The responsibility of the student is given to teachers with these basic criteria to complete.
There are 3 gems featured in their system: basic, academic and practice. In basic, reading, writing and understanding is main focus. In academic, subject-wise learning, fact is done, and in practice, students solve daily 10 sums of maths like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
And practice handwriting of all 3 languages and learn tables every day. When students are done with basics, they are free to do their self-study and develop their own thinking rather than depending on others.
We have a zero lecture on some day where we students are free to visit a library and study anything and develop their own thinking.
Our school also has students' bank which teaches them the importance of saving and investing.
And students learn by doing things practically, so they get their own passbook and bank accounts.
Money is one of the greatest power. Now, this will help us to fight ultimate goals. We are first school to give financial education to children.
We have student counseling sessions for solving teenage problems, and we also have a very good lady caretaker.
Buddhist International School is the only way to complete the dreams of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. In this way, we will take education, we will come together and make the India Prabuddha Bharat. Shika, संघटित व्हा आणि संघर्ष करा.
People have seen a world war. We are starting a revolution.
This is also a kind of world war, a war of revenge, a war for human rights.
We have fought many battles like this. The Battle of Bhima Koregaon is a living memory of that.
our aim is to create a pride of 500 soldiers next year with knowledge and wisdom as their weapons. So support us and let us make dreams of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar comes true. So we request you all to take admission in our school, as every Buddhist must study in a Buddhist school. प्रबुद्ध भारताचा, तथागत गौतम बुद्धांचा, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा, राष्ट्रपिता ज्योतिराव फुलेंचा, क्रांतिज्योती सावित्रीबाई फुलेंचा, राजश्री शाहू महाराजांचा, विश्वरत्न बोधिसत्व डॉक्टर B.R. आंबेडकरांचा. थँक्यू.
Thank you, students.